Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another video for the Impreza coupe build that we're doing. So, it's been a little while. Last video for the coupe was the driver's side quarter panel that we got done. Right now you can't really see it because it's all covered up right now. But I got the passenger side all finished up. I'm going to drop some video of that right now. I didn't film too much of it just because I already filmed in depth the driver's side. Figured that the passenger side was about the same besides at the gas filler neck, which I will show you guys once we're done doing what we were doing today. So probably in the next video you'll see that area. So what we're doing today is that I have some Raptor liner and we're going to Raptor line the underneath of this car and also this rear like bumper area and also the two rear fender wells. The front fender wells aren't ready to do that yet, so we're not going to do the fronts, but it's actually, since it's been a while, you guys haven't seen the progress that we got the entire rear subframe, the gas tank, and actually everything in the front out as well. So the underside of this is bare. There's not much light. There we go, now you can see it. There's cardboard blocking the engine bay, but everything is stripped underneath this thing. So no more suspension, no more brake lines, no more powertrain, gas tank, literally everything. Everything is stripped out of the bottom of this thing in preparation for what we're about to do right now. So I gotta go on Raptor Liner's website and figure out the mixing that we need to do for these. I bought white tint right here. Oh, can't see it, but white. I got that, and I was gonna use that on the fender wells, but I didn't realize that I bought 8 of these black, the black Raptor Liner. And I needed a tintable base, and I needed this right here says I got to use with a tintable base, which I didn't know I needed. So I guess we're just doing it all black. I was gonna do white fender wells, make it look nice and clean, but also like what Matt said, that it'll just get dirty and then it's gonna really look dirty when it's white. But for the initial all new suspension, all new everything is going to look really good with white, but now we're going with the black. And then I also figured make a little tape line from underneath the tail lights and underneath the trunk, and we'll just do this rear back area with the Raptor liner as well. So I'm just going to look up the tint, I'm going to set up my camera, and we're going to start time-lapsing me spraying the underside of this thing. I have a little onesie paint suit that I got for free. This is like an extra large, so it's going to look massive on me. I went to Home Depot, bought a new respirator mask because I lost my other one. And we're going to get going on this thing. I don't have much time today, so I'm going to use all the time that I have to try and get all this coated, and then I'm going to Vermont for the weekend. So it'll have 3 days of curing before I come back. So without further ado, let's get this thing going. Alright, so quickly before I die, paint fumes. You guys just saw the time lapse of me coating this thing. I've been doing it for like, I think it was about 30-45 minutes or so. So it's not terrible. Got the whole thing coated underneath, got the fender wells all done, the rear like bumper area done. All of it looks really good. All of it's like perfectly even, perfectly coated. You guys aren't going to be able to see the front, but once it all dries and I come back, I'll show you guys with it all unmasked and stuff too. But I am super happy with how it came out. Exactly what I was imagining, and can't wait to start seeing some nice fresh suspension parts and subframes and stuff in there. So I'll catch up with you guys once it's all dry. Alright, what's up guys? So we are 4 days later. It's Monday now. I sprayed on Thursday and it's completely dry and hardened. I didn't have to wait this long, but like I said previous, I was up in Vermont for a couple days, so it was a good opportunity just to have it completely dry anyway. And I already unmasked it. I took all the sheeting and stuff off, and I took all of the little tape plugs I made for all the holes and stuff out already. But it is looking amazing. I'm obsessed with how this came out. All of it is nice and textured, nice and rough, nice and hard. It's gonna be nice and protective, and it's actually probably gonna act as a little bit as like a sound deadening too. I just put these pieces back on, that one and this one back on. But let me see if I have a light to show you the front. So the whole floorboard and the whole transmission tunnel is done too. All of it's nice and even, nice and textured. I still have the cardboard blocking the engine bay that I'd actually just forgot until now. I did the frame rails all the way in the front, then over, same with on this side. So now once we work on the engine bay, I just have to tape off this area and then paint the engine bay itself, and then obviously paint the front radiator support. But only things I haven't done, like I said, is just the front fender wells, because I need to make what are they called? I gotta make some front tubs to clear the wider wheels and the WRC wide body kit. So I still need to do that in the front, which is why I didn't spray anything, and plus this fender is still on and all the harness and stuff is still here, so I gotta take all that out, and I'll probably spray from here, just spray the whole thing. I was debating on doing the front of the radiator support and stuff as well. I'm not sure how far forward I want to go with the Raptor liner. I have 3 of the bottles left, which will be more than enough to do both front fenders, well, front fender wells. I might just see at the end if I have enough to just do the front as well. Alright, so that's going to be it for this episode. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.